welcome back to Conde TV. I'm Tori, and today we're working with our ironclad coated tiles. Now, we've worked with our ironclad tiles before. However, our Conde team is always coming up with the best techniques and working to get the best methods. So we revised our technique a little bit, and I'm here to teach you the new one. These tiles come in a couple different sizes and styles, so be sure to refer to your Conde rep to get the best size and style for you. They also come with 3 different finishes. We're going to be working with the glossy finish today, but we also have the matte and the satin style. So that's another thing to bring up to your Conde rep. Also, these tiles can be displayed in multiple different ways. We have a little keepsake box we're displaying one in and a little wooden trivet, but I'm going to be putting mine in an easel later, so I'm going to keep mine out and get started right away with sublimating. So let's go. The items I brought with me today are my Conde Premium Gold Heat Tape, my image, my blank ironclad tile. I have a little lens cloth here just to wipe it off with later on when we get to working with it. And then my Nomex felt pad, 2 pieces of protective paper, and my green rubber heat pad we're going to use once we get to the press. Now the first step is to wipe off any debris that might be on our ironclad tile because we don't want it to be transferred onto the image. Next, we're going to take our image, or take our tile actually, and we're going to lay it on top of our image. And we're going to secure it with some heat tape. Now, I brought a couple pieces to put down first just to keep my tile from going anywhere. So I'm going to just lightly place it on there. And then here is the new method. We're going to wrap the image and secure it with a piece of heat tape. And then we're going to fold over the other side and finish wrapping our tile with our image and securing it with one more piece of heat tape. So now the tile is sandwiched inside the image. So now we are ready to head to the press. So once we get over here, we're going to use some of the accessories we brought along, starting with our Nomex felt pad. So I'm going to place that down first, and then we're going to make a sandwich with our tile. Placing a piece of protective paper down, then our tile with the image face down. So here we go, the image is right there, we're going to face it down. And that is another portion of our revised technique, is having the image faced down. And then we're going to cover it up with another piece of protective paper, sandwiching it in with that final piece of bread, but really it's our green rubber pad. Let's see, making sure everything lines up nicely. And it covers the tile completely. I think we're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and press. But for all of the latest instructions, make sure you visit conde.com. All right, so this item is really hot, so I've already got my heat gloves on. I'm just gonna remove the green rubber pad and the protective paper and then see how our tile did. Let's take a look. Get that image off. Whoa, those colors look nice. I'm gonna leave it right here to cool, and then I'll come pick it up in just a moment. Our ironclad coated tile just finished cooling, and I think it turned out great. I can't wait to display it in our kitchen. And not only is this new revised method gonna save you time, but it's also gonna give you a better product. Be sure to contact your Conde rep and talk to them about which size and which styles work best for you. They wanna always give you the best fit. Also, if you want to find out more about our products like this one, but not only this one, then be sure to check out Conde TV, where we go into lots of detail about all of our sublimated products and projects. I'm Tori B, and thanks for watching.